Hi, my name is Ryan Mann, and I'm the teacher of the Your program at Connections for Learning. Basically, the Your program is a homeroom approach to high school. You spend the day in a cohort of kids um, that you'll get to know and interact with and hopefully develop relationships with. During that time, we will look at your passions, your interests, your questions that you have in the ultimate goal of helping you get to your next steps after high school. It's personalized and it's a collaborative approach with me where you, student, your parents, your guardians, and I look at different ways to assess, deliver, test all of the curriculum outcomes that come to high school. It is all the same curriculum and the same credit structure as traditional high school, just delivered and assessed in a different way. Overall, big picture, the Your program tries to fit the school to the student, not having the student try to fit into a certain school. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.